My country people, how on a day I don't come again with another ogbenge one. So make we judge this matter. Watch this video till the very end. Don't skip any parts.
Nigeria.
Congo.
Welcome back, guys. If you have watched to this very moment, thank you so much for engaging. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. If you are new to my channel, if this is your first time coming across this channel, you're welcome. My name is Richest TV. Do well to like, comment, share my videos and turn on post notification, because now I'm a bald head girl. So make we enjoy the rest of the video. This one na Purplespeedy and Endurance Grand. Guys, I wanted to stop, but I won't choke my mouth. See, the way I love these two girls, this Speedy and Endurance, mouth no fit talk ham. Like, I love them, bye. But as I see this their challenge, I say no, I need to bring it here for some people to actually judge. So, who do you think did best in this dancing challenge? Speedy or Endurance? Please don't be biased. Tell us exactly how you see it. Do you get? I'm gonna see you guys on my next video. Stay safe out there. See your one and only Amiibo head girl, Cindy Gist TV. We know they too. Hello. I'm gonna bye.
Cindy, they bring the heat, never out of flow.